If you want to add a new section in Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you're building a newsletter, a campaign, or a promotional email, adding sections helps you organize your content more clearly and make your email look more professional. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab in the left side menu and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, so it's the best place to start when you want to make changes to a message you've already created. Next, find the email campaign where you want to add a new section. When you see it, click Edit next to that campaign. This will open the campaign editor and take you to the area where you can change the email content, layout, and design. Once the campaign is open, click Edit Design. This is the part of Mailchimp where you can actually work on the structure of your email. It gives you access to the template and allows you to add new content blocks or sections wherever you need them. Now look at the left-hand menu and click on Sections. This opens the available section options you can insert into your email layout. Sections are useful when you want to separate different parts of your message, add structure, or create a cleaner design for your subscribers. After that, click Add. Mailchimp will insert a new section into your email. You should now see the newly added section appear in the editor. From here, you can customize it based on the kind of content you want to include. Click on the new added section so you can start working with it. This lets you make sure you're editing the correct area and not another block in the email. Once selected, you can continue adjusting the layout and content inside that section. If you need the section to appear higher or lower in the email, use the Move Section Up option to reposition it. This is especially helpful when you want to change the order of your email content and make sure the message flows in the right sequence. Next, click Select Column if you want to add a column structure inside that section. Columns are great for laying out text, images, buttons, or multiple pieces of content side by side. This gives your email a more polished and flexible design. After choosing your column layout, click Add Blocks to insert the content elements you want. Mailchimp gives you different block types, so you can add text, images, buttons, dividers, and more depending on what your campaign needs. This is where you can really build out the section and make it useful. Once you've added everything you want and the section looks the way you want it to, click Save and Exit. This makes sure all your changes are stored properly before you leave the editor. It's always a good idea to save before moving on, so none of your work gets lost. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a section in Mailchimp. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make a big difference in how professional and organized your email campaigns look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.